Yes, hello everyone. Hello guys, this is gonna be my first vlog. Before anything else, let me introduce myself. I am Norman. I am Lawrence Norman. I am a Filipino, and right now I am in Singapore. I'm in this small hotel. Arrived yesterday from Dubai. I can see that Singapore is very nice. I've been here before. I think maybe few years ago. Last 2014 was my last year that I came also here in Singapore. I came here to do some soul searching because one day ago I left Dubai. I decided that I have to do some soul searching. And now the question is, will I go back to Dubai? And how do I compare Singapore to Dubai? Well, Singapore is a very nice country, very clean and so nice. But being here only like maybe a few days, like one day, specifically one day, I think because you've been in that country for like maybe 15, 16 years, and then you're used to everyday living. You're used to working. You used to go to the same places, and that when you are used to these kinds of things, then you like when you go to another country, I think you're gonna be missing what you are like doing on a daily basis, right? So right now I'm on a midlife crisis. And to tell you frankly, guys, my feeling is that I'm feeling a little bit lonely, and I miss the place. I miss the country that I have been to for the last few years of my life. And now the predicament is, will I go back to Dubai? This is the predicament that I'm in right now. I haven't decided yet that I will go back. Maybe I'll just do I will go out here in Singapore and explore for maybe a few days before I will really decide if I will go back to Dubai. For me, right now, it's just a little bit nostalgic because, you've been to that place, you have been to that country, you've been living in that country for many years, and then suddenly you left. And now the feeling is like, it's like half of me, a little part of me is really wants to go back, and a little part of me wants to go back to the Philippines and restart my life there. Simple things, and do simple, like going to farm, or do farm work, or do a backyard gardening. So that's what I'm thinking right now, if ever I will decide to permanently go back to the Philippines and like restart my life there. Because right now really I'm in a midlife crisis. So this will be my topic on my first video for this channel. This is the start of my channel for this new year. I'm gonna be doing some exploring, and I hope that you will support me, guys, on this new journey of mine. And so that's it. Seeing you guys for this coming video, for this coming channel. I'm gonna be uploading a video from time to time, and we'll talk about topics. And that's it. And I hope to see you guys next time.